Not too long ago, it became obvious to a local business owner like you that being a search result on Google is just good marketing. There's just one problem: Google needs a website to learn about your business, and you have to make it. That sounded easy at first. That was before you learned about the $99 SSL certificate you had to have and every other nickel and dime expense on top of the website designer's cost before your website even launched. That was the day you started tearing your hair out. And you never stopped until you quit. Like millions of local business owners across the country, you just gave up after your first website. It just kept costing more money with little success. Today, 2 out of 3 Main Street businesses just don't have a website. 20 years later, a 25-year-old entrepreneur is opening a shop in Sylva, North Carolina. She is getting ready to add Facebook and Instagram to her business card and call it a day. Michaela is smart enough to avoid the suffering of a million local business owners before her. She will not be making a website for simple chic attire. Websites cost too much money, time, and frustration. Making a website is just not worth the hassle. Then she learned about a new alternative to a website called a virtual storefront. It took Michaela 5 minutes to order her storefront using the online form. She covered the cost with her petty cash budget. It cost her $18 a month and an extra $50 to pay her merchant ambassador to set up her storefront. Her ambassador, a college student in her community, delivered a draft of her storefront in a few days. She got the link to her dedicated storefront URL in a text message. When she looked at her storefront, she saw it was loaded with a set of keywords customized to her business. Michaela knows these are the kind of keywords search engines and customers use to learn about her business. Her storefront was finished, approved, and published in less than a week. She can even log in and update any information on her storefront anytime she wants without waiting for someone to get back to her. Now she's adding her virtual storefront to her business card and everywhere else she needs a website to market her business. With the lowest cost, fastest delivery, and least work, Michaela loves her $18 a month solution to the problem of website creation, technical maintenance, and search engine optimization. She loves her virtual storefront. It's better than a website.